Hello everyone, welcome to a new reaction for Nona. We have the dance video now for Honk. I was looking to see how many views the official music video got, 2 million in 3 days. I think that it should have more, but 2 million it's okay. I say that it should have more because I think that the way that the video started to get views, I was expecting to be at 5-6 million already, but they will get a lot. The song is a super banger. Now let's see the dance video. I'm curious what choreography they will have for this.
Look at me, look at her, pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, boosted, buckle up out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi, never pass me, ready, set, go. Get on the encore. Get on the encore. Get on the encore. Wheels on the bus.
Wow, that's a really nice choreography, and the dance moves are not easy. They have that strong attitude in the dance, sudden moves. They are really good dancers. I like this. That's why I'm sure that every time they do a live show, they blow the minds of the public.
Let's go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk, and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face, and I always got my way. Bumping that bass, and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on the license plate. Kaka jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Get on the encore.
And it's very complex, the choreography. It's not like they have 5 dance moves and they repeat only those. And if they do this for each song, just imagine the work behind it. That's why I respect these girls, because they work a lot more than a lot of artists, because it's the work to sing and the work to dance.
Get on the encore. Get on the
Plus, it's not only the dance itself, it's the fact that they synchronize. I need my coffee. Copy, mana, copy. I just woke up, and when I saw that they uploaded the dance video, I said, hey, I'm curious to see the entire dance, because in the music video they change scenes and stuff like that. Coffee in the morning is like life. Now let's finish. Cool dance. They're awesome. I like the song. As I said, it's a super banger. I like how they integrated the honk in the song. The dance, very complex, very well done, executed. They're, as I said, working very hard, and this is the result. That's why I'm sure that more and more and more people will start to appreciate Nona and become their fans. I'm not sure. Let me check. Something strange is happening here because I was expecting after Honk was released them to gain at least 100,000 in the first 3 days, and they have only 27,000 since I recorded that reaction. Anyway, I hope that they will go very fast to 1 million. I really hope that. Don't forget you have the link in the description. You must go and watch it on their channel. I wish everyone to be well, to be safe, and to be free. Goodbye, my friends.